Mbere ya cikaro cia mbunge nĩ kwa mũmbunge wa Mũkũrũ-inĩ John Kagucia arekereirie wagagu igũrũ rĩgiĩ wagi wa indo cia gũthima na kũiga thakame mathibitarĩ-inĩ, ndeto ĩrĩa ĩigĩte mĩtũrĩre ya arwaru aingĩ hatĩka-inĩ.
In the recent past, the Kenya National Blood Transfusion Service, KNBTS, has been facing an acute shortage of essential testing kits used for blood donation, including laboratory reagents and blood bags and blood bag kits for testing and storing donated blood. The lack of essential kits has led to wastage of donated blood, a very critical resource. The crisis, which has led to the shortage of supply of screened blood in the country, if not resolved, could lead to increased cases of death of patients in need of blood transfusion. I dare say, Honorable Speaker, the issue of blood bank depletion is a national security concern.
Kagucia aroria kamĩtĩ ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ gwĩka mĩtũkĩ nĩguo gũthinga ihoro rĩrĩ gũtaneha makĩria, amu nĩ kĩeha kuona mũingĩ ũkoretwo ũkĩũrio heane thakame ĩndĩ ĩgacoka kwaga gũteithia arĩa maramĩbatara ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire kuma na kwaga indo cia kũiga thakame mathibitarĩ-inĩ.
Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Department Committee on Health on the following. 1. Report on the measures that the government has put in place to avert a crisis and ensure there are adequate essential testing kits to enable screening of blood donated across the country. 2. What immediate measures is the government taking to ensure uninterrupted provision of screened blood for transfusion to patients, especially those in current need?
Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa ihinda kamĩtĩ-inĩ ĩyo ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ acokeirie Kagucia na kũmwĩra amahe kahinda ka wiki 2 nĩguo makorwo metha kĩhonia gĩa thĩna ũyũ, uge ũrĩa ũnyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ Speaker wa mbunge Moses Wetangula.
Will be the ranking member in that committee.
Yes.
So we can give a response in 3 weeks' time when Parliament resumes from recess.
Thank you. And of course, the next order. And the committee has to elect a chairman or a chair. And we are going on recess on Friday after the morning sitting. So you'll just have to bear with us, and I direct that a response be brought on day 1 after the recess. The recess is only 2 weeks.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũthoni wa Wanyeki.